Welcome. If you're watching this right now, one person feels it in their chest. This reading is yours. March 2026 is heavy. Pisces season floods intuition and old feelings until approximately March 20th. Then Aries sun kicks in for bold moves. Lunar eclipse. March 3rd in Virgo clears emotional baggage hard. Venus enters Aries March 6th. Attraction turns direct. Exes act on impulse. Someone here just got goosebumps because the message you've been waiting for is incoming this month. The cards see you. They see the phone in your hand. This isn't general. This is your reading. Breathe deep. Feel the truth hit. Question: why is the message coming for you this March? What proof shows it's inevitable? Deck shuffled slow, channeling March energy. Pisces dreams plus Aries. Fire plus eclipse release. Focusing on the one person this is for. Past pull, current knowing, trigger. 5 cards. Past pull on you. Current moment they feel it. Trigger for send. Incoming message details. Outcome and proof. First card. Past pull. 10 of Cups reversed. Family-like harmony broken. In the past, you two had that warm dream connection, but reversed means it cracked, left unfinished. One person watching knows exactly what moment broke it. Eclipse March 3rd is releasing that pain now. The past pull is strong. They never fully let go. Second card, current moment, they feel it, the lovers, choice and union. Right now in March, they face the real decision, stay silent or reach out. The lovers is magnetic. They feel the soul tie again. Venus in Aries amps passion. Someone here is staring at your name right now, heart racing. This card says the feeling is mutual, even if hidden. Third card, trigger for send. Knight of Wands. Fiery action rider. Trigger this month, sudden impulse, bold energy. Aries influence plus Venus there pushes them to act fast. Knight doesn't wait, he charges. One person feels this. The trigger is a random memory, song, or eclipse clarity that says, do it now. Message incoming because the fire is lit. So far, broken harmony, 10 Rev meets current choice, lovers. Bold trigger, Knight of Wands, set send. Proof is stacking. This reading is hitting home for one person. Early signs message incoming March 2026. Phone feels alive when you think of them. Their name or song hits 3+ times a day. Dreams show unread message or talk. Gut whispers, this month. Eclipse release makes old pain feel lighter suddenly. If this already feels way too accurate, and you want a detailed, personalized tarot reading just for your exact situation, click the link in the description right now. Spots fill fast. Don't miss your chance. Fourth card, incoming message details. Ace of Swords. Clear truth cuts through. Ace is mental breakthrough, direct words, no bullshit. In March 2026, the message is sharp and honest. I need to say this, or straight apology/confession. Aries Venus energy makes it bold, no games. One person watching knows the exact wording they've been rehearsing in their head. Ace says the message is coming clean, no fluff. Fifth card, outcome and proof. The world, completion, cycle closed, fulfillment, major arcana, end of journey. Outcome, the message arrives, brings closure or new beginning. They reach out because the chapter needed finishing. Proof in cards, 10 of Cups, broken harmony, to lovers, current choice, to Knight of Wands, bold trigger, to Ace of Swords, clear words, to the world, full circle. This spread is screaming for one person. This is your reading message incoming this month. Full tie-in, past broken connection, 10 Rev, meets current soul pull, lovers. Bold Aries trigger, Knight of Wands, delivers clear message, Ace of Swords. Everything completes the world. March 2026, eclipse release plus Pisces/Aries shift made it inevitable. One person knows deep down this is their story. What their "this is happening" energy looks like daily in March, staring at your profile pic for minutes, typing long messages, deleting most, feeling random urge to check one more time. Heart jumps when they see your story. Quiet its time moment alone. Full shocking signs message incoming March 2026. Phone feels heavy or buzzes for no reason. You think of them, check chat, energy thick. Dreams show phone screen with their name. Repeating numbers explode. 1111 444 888. Their song plays out of nowhere. Feeling they're thinking of me hard. Old chat bubbles up in memories. Gut screams, this week/month. Synchronicities double. Name plus number same time. Calm certainty, it's done. Eclipse release makes past feel lighter. Random scene or typing indicator glitches. No chase vibe, just knowing. Universe confirms every day. Message lands when you fully detach. Subscribe and drop a comment below. If you want to receive more of this energy, you must be willing to give first. Universe flows both ways. Extended advice for March 2026. One big action daily. Post content, set trade, outreach. Don't chase. Reply short, confident, cold. Affirm 3 times per day. This is my reading. Message drops perfectly. Log signs daily. Proof builds fast. Cold mindset. Hungry, grateful, 0 emotion. Use Aries fire. Act bold, stay detached. No doubt, universe timed it. Celebrate small, keep pushing cash. Affirmation, this is my reading. Message incoming March. I stay detached, open, aligned. Everything flows, so it is. If this hit too close, like subscribe, bell on. Comment, this is me to claim. Drop sign or next focus. Thanks for being here. Stay aligned. March is yours. Use every second.